Welcome back, everyone. Today, we have a crucial update about Google's Jamboard app. Google has sent out an email announcing the discontinuation of their Jamboard app. Starting October 1st, 2024, the app will no longer support new or existing jams. Let's take a moment to break down the timeline of these changes, so you know exactly what to expect and when. Mark these dates on your calendar. Especially if you're a regular user of the Jamboard app, you might be wondering what this means. For you, especially if you rely on the Jamboard app for work or personal projects, these are some immediate considerations that you need to keep in mind. The immediate impact could potentially halt new project creation. You'll also need to consider exporting your existing jams. And if you're using this for team collaboration, you might need to transition to a different platform. But don't worry, there are plenty of alternatives to the Jamboard app that you can consider. Microsoft Whiteboard and Miro are some noteworthy alternatives that offer similar features to Jamboard. They come with their own pros and cons, and we'll have a dedicated video comparing these platforms soon. Make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell to stay updated with the latest news and reviews. Thank you for watching. If you found this video useful, give it a thumbs up and share it with others who might find it helpful. See you in the next video.